You like your bath? You like your bath? I think she did. Somebody like her bath? Did you? She's gonna start crying.
I love that.
Hey,
Pumpkin.
Are you happy or you about to cry?
Where's Daddy? Huh? Where's Daddy? You happy? You see Daddy? Hey, Pumpkin. I know. Dime.
Hey, Mama. What's going on? Huh? What?
Where's Daddy's pretty girl? Huh? Yeah.
What is this? What? Huh? What is going on?
I know. This is going right on Facebook.
What's going on? Huh? What?
Hi, Pumpkin. I know.
She's like, I'm entertaining these clowns. Oh, Mommy. Huh? Look. Hey, Mama.
Do you have anything else to say?
Is that it?
Show's over.
Yeah, I guess so.